Hi, my name is Patty Paniza, and I'm here with Ashley Watson today. We are going to go over getting started with the Realm Connect app. The Realm Connect app is the companion to the web version of Realm. So the first thing you want to do is download the Realm Connect app from either the App Store if you have an Apple device, or from Google Play if you have an Android. So the first thing is to set up your account on the web version of Realm and then download the app. Since we're set up as an invite-only parish, if you try to create an account via the app first, the invite code will not work. So if I click this sign up button here, try to enter the code, I'm going to get an error message. So first, be sure to go ahead and create your account on the web version, which is on realm.org. Once you've set your account up, you can then sign in using the same credentials that you used to log into the web version. So you'll enter your email address, your passcode, and click sign in. When you launch the app, you'll see 5 icons at the very bottom of the screen. And if you click on each of the icons, you will see news, which is your news feed, communications, which is an inbox for your email and chat, events, which will allow you to view and register for upcoming events and meetings. Giving will allow you to view 10 years of your giving history. And then in more, it will allow you to make changes to your settings, notifications, and then view information about the various groups that you may be in. The news feed is the default page. When you open up the app, you're going to see the news feed. Posts and events from all of your groups are compiled here. So you're able to go through and scroll through on your phone by using your finger to move up or down the different posts and events. Once you click on the communications icon, you can view your inbox and chats. So if I want to view my messages, I'll click on the inbox, and there's a tab up here at the top next to inbox for chats. So depending on what I want to view, I will either click this or that. And once you do that, you'll be able to see different items, in this case, different inbox items. And I can click on an item and it will open that item up. I can then reply to the person that sent the information by typing a message here in this very bottom box. Next, we're going to go over viewing events, registering for events, and RSVPing to events. So there's a big difference in events. So there's some events that are parish events, and for those you will register, and events that are set up within your groups or ministries are more like meetings, and those you will RSVP to. So the way to tell the difference, in this, the Future Bible Study, this test event, there's a little box that says registered. And for a group event, it will ask you to RSVP and let people know if you're going or not going. So to register for a parish event, once you pull up the event, you'll be able to view the details of the event, the contacts over on the right-hand side. You'll be able to view the event cost. So for the event cost, if there are payments that are associated with an event, such as, so for example, if you are registering your kids for faith formation, there will be a charge for that. And you'll be able to input your credit card information or bank draft information directly in here. So to get started, you're going to want to click on this calendar icon. This date is also the deadline for when registration will close. So once I click on that, it will ask me who will be attending, and I simply go through and I'll check off either one or all or whoever will be attending, and I can click next. Answer any additional questions. For example, this one's asking if you found it easy to use Realm, and here it's going to be a drop-down menu. I would click on that and it would open up a box with options. Once I've answered all those questions, I'll click the next button, and then I'll be able to review my registration and make any changes. And then after that, I'll click register. So then you're registered. You'll see a confirmation screen. You can view your registration. If you decide that, say, one of your, one of the people that you registered won't be able to make it, you can edit who's coming and either delete them or you can add more people. And if you need to, you can cancel the registration by clicking on this cancel registration button. So you'll also receive an email notification of your registration as well. To RSVP to group events, which are, a little more like meetings, you can do that by simply clicking going or not going, or sometimes there'll be a little drop-down menu. It says RSVP and you will just choose one of those two options. Next, to view your giving history, you will click on the giving icon and it will display up to 10 years of your contribution history. So once I click giving, it will show the cash. If you've given in cash or checks, it will actually list the check number out, and you can click on this and it will pull up an image of your check. It will also show any contributions that you've made through Faith Direct. If you want, you can print and download a copy of this giving history, but you have to do that in the web version of Realm. So next, Ashley is going to talk about the More icon.
So the last button on the bottom of your screen is the More icon. This will allow you to view the groups that you're in and learn about and find ministry areas that you'd like to join. You also can update your profile information as well as that of your family members. This would be your contact information as well as talents and interests. You can view your communication history, update your notifications, and also update your privacy settings. When you click on the groups, you'll see a list of the groups that you're currently in. So if you click on one of the groups, for example, I click on KBL. Once you click on that group, you'll be able to see a list of the participants. You can send communications to just that group. The news feed is available for that group. Also, files and resources that have been uploaded. And if you're the group leader, you'll be able to take attendance for upcoming events and meetings. This also allows you to set up your notification settings for this particular group. So when you click on the participants list, a list of participants will be displayed. And then you can see if they receive notifications and communications, whether by phone or by email. And if you click on their name, it'll let you know that they've received emails for this group. Clicking on send communication allows you to create a post a photo, and create an event or start a chat with the group. The ability to do these things must be enabled for the group in order for you to be able to do so. So you would click on the button and then all of the options would pop up for which one you'd like to do. Click on files to view any resources for the group. So you would click on the link and then all of the resources would pop up, whether it be a PDF file or a link to a Google Drive. You're also able to search for ministries that you might be interested in joining by using the Find Groups feature, and that will be at the bottom underneath all of your groups. And then you just click on Find Groups. And then you will select from the group types. Once you click on the group type, it'll show you the ministry options. So for example, formation ministry volunteers, and two of the groups that you could join would be baptism prep volunteers or marriage prep volunteers. And then you would click on that group and you will be able to see who the leader is for the group. And then when you click join, it will notify the leader that you are interested in joining the group. And then the group leader will be notified, and then they can contact you about your interest in this ministry. If you are a group leader for a group, you're able to take attendance for group events and meetings. So you will go into your group and then you will select mark attendance, and then you select the event they'd like to take attendance for. To take attendance, you will check and click all of the people that attended. You can also select all. And if you have anybody that's attending as a guest and is not in your group and you want to include them in the attendance, you would add them into this additional box. And then you click done when you are completed. To update your profile, you'll select more and then profile. And then you will see next to each piece of information a little pencil icon, and you can update the contact information as well as the privacy settings for each of these items. So the privacy choices you will be given is anyone in the parish, people in my groups, visible to group leaders, and visible to parish staff only. We recommend setting up your email and phone number to people in my groups and your address to parish staff only. At the bottom of your profile section, you can update your talents and interests by clicking the Manage Talents or the Manage Interests button. A list will be displayed and you can check or uncheck whatever is applicable to you, and then you click Save. Communication history allows you to view a history of your emails, posts, and chats. This is also a gateway into the web version on your mobile device. So when you click on this, it'll take you out to the web version of Realm on your device. And then under the communication history, right now it's showing all communications, but you can select just emails or see all the posts or see all the chats that you have. Updating your notification settings. So again, you go under the More button and then go to Settings. And in Settings, you're able to turn on and off how you want to receive communications. So click on the group that you want to update, and you can turn on push notifications if you would like to receive a pop-up on your phone every time someone posts a new post or sends a chat. You can also set the notifications for each individual group that you're in by clicking the group in this section. So over here, I can set up all of my inbox activity. Do I want an email? Do I want a push notification? And you will see the blue check means that the notification is turned on, and then minus means that it is turned off. We have additional resources available on our Parish Realm webpage. We have a Getting Started guide, some facts, resources for parishioners and group leaders, and then Realm support. If you find this button at the bottom, you can submit a request for support, and then we can assist you with your needs. Thank you for joining us today, and happy apping.